want to do a micro blading or you want to see how it looks, then you should watch this video and see. She's very perfect, and I'll be leaving a handle in the description section so you guys can check if you need to do yours. You can book with her. When I get there, I'll try to make something with her if you guys can get any form of discount if you're coming from me. So I'll let you guys know at the end of the video. So guys, just keep watching, but right now I'll head to my friend's place for us to pick her because she's going to be the one filming all the sessions. Jenny, this one you are having flower on. What's going on? Say hello to my cam.
Hi. Can you face this side? Thank you. So I'm just gonna keep it the same shape what we do naturally for the eyebrows.
Okay.
And obviously at the moment they're gonna look dark and bigger, but
Okay.
when they are healed, they will be fine.
Okay.
Around. To your skin layer underneath. We'll wait until they heal because might be from here you will lose the thickness.
So it can be softer, yeah.
You too. Let me make
Seriously, you have to visit this place. I'm not kidding you. So if you're based in Manchester, you live around Manchester, anywhere around, I'll be leaving her handle in the description section. Guys, don't hesitate to check her out, and she'll be giving you guys discounts. Okay, good news. So she'll be giving you guys 10% discount from the original price. So don't hesitate to check her out. She's very, very good, very perfect. Seriously, you're gonna love her. No pain at all. And during the session, she'll just be gisting with you, and before you know it, you're done with your microblading. It's perfect. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, like my son would say. But this is really good. Hope you guys love it. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.